it's important to have a firm grasp of the fundamentals of coding. So the fundamentals are HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Yes, React is it's good to learn React and know how to code in React because there's a huge demand for React developers even right now. I know the market's not doing good right now, and there's a lot of layoffs in tech, but it's important to really understand the fundamentals and be able to build applications with just plain vanilla JavaScript, HTML, CSS, all that stuff. React is important. Next.js, it's a good framework. PHP is still a programming language that there's a demand for. You have to look at the market. That's the thing that matters. What do people want? People still want websites built in PHP. A lot of people hate PHP for every reason. Some people say it's not that secure, but PHP is a very powerful back-end programming language. It's pretty much it's kind of easy to learn. It's not too difficult. It's not like Ruby on Rails or something like that. Ruby on Rails is I'm not a big fan of it, but there's still a demand for Ruby on Rails as well. But when you're first getting started out, what you want to do is obviously you don't want to go through that. You don't want to just go down that tutorial rabbit hole where all you're doing is going through and consuming tutorials and content like that. You want to get out there and start building applications and really practicing. Build something that solves an actual problem, or it could be just something simple as like a to-do app or a weather app, or just something very, very simple. But start building projects, coding projects, building simple applications that solve simple problems. And it doesn't have to be anything complicated like a CRM system or an autoresponder system or, you know, something like that. Just something very, very simple, but create projects. It's all fun at the end of the day. If it is fun, if you love to code, that's going to help you out. Definitely, if you're passionate about coding and technology, it's extremely important that you're not a coder because it's going to pay you. You're going to generate a lot of money, and it's going to pay you good. No, you do it because this is something you're passionate about. It's something you enjoy doing. You like solving problems. You like technology. You like coding. You like all of it, and that's what I do. I do love all that stuff. So get down to the basics because yeah, React is a powerful framework, but learn the fundamentals, get the fundamentals down. You just gotta have a passion for technology in general. That's extremely important. The more you learn, the more you earn. But you gotta know a little bit about everything: front end, back end, understand some networking concepts. So a little bit of everything is going to help you out. You got to understand how the internet actually works and how everything's interconnected. You should know a little bit about servers and how they work. You need to understand Linux because most servers run on Linux. Linux runs on most servers. Some network administration concepts. There's a lot to learn, but to really you got to have a firm grasp of really how the internet itself works, how everything's interconnected, and it can't just be about coding, and building applications. You got to understand. And the thing is, okay, JavaScript, extremely important programming language to learn. Go deep in that programming language and understand some extremely difficult concepts. There's a lot of difficult concepts to learn with JavaScript, but if you want to be a senior level engineer, you don't want to be a junior level or mid level. You want to be a senior level engineer. You have to really understand how things are working under the hood and how the hardware works, how the software works. Obviously, understanding garbage collection, understanding memory management. You want to learn memory management, code in C, code in C++, code in Java. Now you're getting into like those are important programming languages to learn, if you ask me, because then you're understanding more how the hardware works. You see what I'm saying? But memory management is extremely important. Garbage collection, extremely important how that works. Obviously, with JavaScript, all that stuff's taken care of. Garbage collection is taken care of for you, basically. But it's still good to understand that concept. So the more you learn, the more you earn. Just keep learning, and you're gonna definitely in this job market, you're gonna have to definitely skill up, really skill up. It really, every day you got to learn. But of course, you want to take massive action as well, because that's the thing that's the most important thing is to take action. Get in front of that computer, start banging out some code, typing away, do what you got to do. It's all fun at the end of the day. For me, it's a hobby. It's just something I like to do. It's fun for me. Even if I wasn't making money doing it, I would do it anyway. That's just me. Hope you liked the video. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, and I will talk to you later.